Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of blocking a hotspot user on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Blocking with a new hotspot password. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Find Personal Hotspot and tap on it. Here, you'll see the current Wi-Fi password for your hotspot. Tap on Wi-Fi password. Choose a strong, new password that's difficult to guess. Don't share this password with anyone you want to block. Tap Done to save the new password. Now, any devices trying to connect with the old password will be denied access. Disabling hotspot completely. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Find Personal Hotspot and tap on it. Toggle the switch next to allow others to join to the off position. This will completely disable your iPhone's hotspot functionality. Anyone trying to connect will be unsuccessful. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.